How to sign up or register on Revolut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can sign up or register on the Revolut. Now you can do so on the application or you can do so on the browser. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you here due to the security measures, but I'll just be guiding you here. First, what you want to do is you want to download the Revolut application available at Play Store or App Store, and you can then what you want to do is you want to open up and there you'll get the sign in page there. Now what you want to do is you want to enter your mobile phone number on the Revolut website either, and Revolut will send you a message with a link to download the Revolut application. Now either way, it's going to prompt you to application, so you can directly download the application from the Play Store. You can simply search in for Revolut and you'll be able to download it. Now once open the app, enter your phone number and create a 4-digit passcode for your new account. Once you do so, you'll receive a text message from Revolut containing a PIN. You'll need to enter this into the application to verify your account for security purposes. Once you do so, enter your personal information including name, birth date, address and email address. After that, you want to make an initial deposit from another bank account. Verify your identity by selecting the profile icon in the app, then selecting personal details and verify your identity. Take and upload a photo of a valid form of ID such as your passport and a photo of your face. Choose which plan you like, whether a free account or one with a monthly fee and extra features. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.